welcome back to Gardening for Health and Wellbeing. So today I thought it would be a bit different, and I would do a like a batch cooking for breakfasts. So I went to Costco recently, and I bought some small little buns and some croissants. And I thought I would make some ham and cheese croissants that I will then freeze. There was 12 croissants in the box that it came in, but my dad actually had one for his lunch, and so I had 11 portions made. So all that is the ham and cheese, and then when you pull them out of the freezer, I'll just put them in the microwave or the toaster oven, and I will have it heated up, and the cheese will melt, be nice and warm, toasty, and I can add some sauce or some tomatoes once I have heated it up. So yeah, I did that, and there ended up being 11 portions. So as you can see, I'm wrapping them once done in some parchment paper or baking paper, and then I put, I think it was 5 or 6 per Ziploc bag. So this one had the 5, the next one will have 6 portions in it, and I just write on there what it is and the date that I made them. And then the second thing that I'm going to be cooking is on the smaller round buns, and I've got all ingredients that I somehow preserved at home. Not all of them I grew, but majority of them. The only one that I didn't really was the zucchini, but we had lots that we bought and they were going to go bad, so I grated them up and froze them. Here I'm trying to use this cutter machine thing, but it didn't want to cut the green onion tops very well. So in the pan I did the green onion tops, some garlic that we minced together and froze. For some reason I think, I don't know if it's oxidized or what, but it went a bit yellow. I don't know what that means. Tastes alright, smells alright. Then we got the zucchini and some sweet potato vine leaves as well. Then we cracked open 6 eggs from my chickens. So all of this meal here is actually from the garden in some way, shape or form, except for the zucchini. But I tried growing my own over the late spring and summer, but it was just too hot here. So I will try again, and I will hopefully preserve more, maybe this year. So here I'm just letting it wilt and melt all together, and then while that's doing its thing, I decided to cut all of the small white buns, and there was 14 of these. So I just prepared all of those while I was waiting for the things in the pan to cook down and get nice and it smelled so yummy looking. Then I turned off the element, and I'm about to grease a white tray, and I just use a little bit of butter, and I use the paper towel there just to get the butter on it, and just run it around the sides and the bottom, just so that the egg mixture doesn't stick once it all goes in together. So here I'm just putting that in the bottom of the dish and spreading that around as evenly as I can. And here I'm just pre-putting on the little toaster oven slash air fryer, and I added the 6 beaten eggs into this white tray, and then I added some cheese. And then from here I will then place that into the oven or air fryer, and it says 15 minutes for at 200 degrees Celsius, but I took it out after about 8 minutes and that's what it looked like. Nice and golden and crunchy. Not very good camera angles here, as you can see, but then I just cut the little, like, frittata, I suppose it would be, into smallish portions and put them on these buns. And then I add a little bit of leftover ham and the cheese from doing the croissants, and putting them on the buns and wrapping them up to be frozen as more breakfasts. So in the end there was 14 of these little buns, 11 of the croissants, so 25 portions in total. And then I put them into the plastic bags, Ziploc bags, and I did that for 7 of them. And then I've just put them in the freezer, and I'll enjoy them over the next little while. Thanks for watching. Bye.